What's up, everybody? We're back out here at Andoko Park in Riverside, California for another bat video. We're not doing a review this time, we're just doing a video, and these bugs are all over the place. So a while ago I came up on a crate of these balls. These are 47s. I don't know what to hit with them, but I did a little bit of research, and it turns out that these might be good for senior bats. So luckily for us, we have a senior bat. So this video is going to be simple. We're just going to mess around, but we're going to see how these 47s do on the senior bat. We've used the senior bat before just to mess around, and they launch. So we're going to see how this one does, and hopefully we'll hit some over the fence. Right, Alan?
Let's go.
Let's go. So I'm going to do the honors with the Dudley Lightning Legend. It's a senior bat. I'm not a senior yet, but I'm getting there. So let's see how I'll do.
Good hit for sure. I'll just give it.
Dude, I'm not even like trying to swing and it's going.
Like, I know, just throwing it out.
Look at that height on it.
Way to pull it, though. You got cut. Oh, I knew I was like...
Oh, dude, I loaded up for that one.
Good hit. Get that one.
All right, this is who you want to watch right here. Arthur's about to shoot like 5 of them over the fence. Let's go, Arthur. There you go. Look at that. Jeez, dead center.
I ate all my Wheaties. I golfed the heck out of that one. I was like, good Lord, that's my teeth.
Oh, is that gone? That's gone.
Good Lordy. Good Lordy, that was gone.
Dude, you hit the concrete.
Heads up.
Real quick, I want to give a shout out to some of the local Little League kids out here. They showed up to the fields and started helping us shag balls, so they're making our practice a little bit easier. But we're going to bring up Zach now.
You still got a long ways till you play seniors, so. 15 years, 40. Gotta compact it. I'm not even an infielder, I'm an outfielder. That's on. That's way on. Oh, it died. Just hit the bottom? Yeah. Nah. Oh. Oh. These are senior balls, so it's gonna.
Here we go, Alan's last up with the Dudley Lightning Legend. He's probably going to put it up like 10 times over the fence. Let's go, Alan.
I'm going to strike him out.
If we're lucky.
Strike him out. Nice gone.
Is that gone?
No, it's still not gone. What?
Yeah, it was.
Did it go over?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot.
I just got to give it to you in your wheelhouse.
There we go, baby.
He's ready for seniors, guys.
Okay.
Over?
Yeah.
That's on. Oh.
Foul ball. Oh, nope.
Oh, no.
So there you have it, guys. That was the Dudley senior bat. Alan, what did you think of that bat?
Smooth, easy,
Easy?
nice to swing.
Zach, you're the newbie. What did you think?
Pretty light, pretty even. Good pop.
Arthur?
I just can't wait to play seniors. It felt good.
So if you're interested in one, we don't know where you can get one, just look it up. But it's a Dudley, what is it, the Lightning Legend? Dudley Lightning Legend, 26.5 ounce weight with a 1/2 ounce end load. One piece bat, so there you go, there you have it. And I gotta give a shout out to these kids right here. They helped us out, Shag and Balls. Thanks a lot, guys, appreciate it.
Guys,
Made our video a lot easier to record, so it's not as hot out here because we have some shade. So that's gonna do it for us, fellas. We're gonna see you on the next video. Thanks for watching, deuces.
Later.